We are at Andrew Hill Loop. As you can see behind me, it's all nature, guys. Look at this. Amazing, right? Amazing. So let's go. Let's continue our hike. So we are in the middle of the jungle right now. So let's just go. Let's continue our hike. As you can see behind me, it's all nature, guys. It's all nature. Let's go. We came from that way, that's Blackfish Way, and then it connects to the actual track. And we only did 1.8 kilometers until now. We are going to go that way, continue our hike. Let's go have a look at this, guys, so you can actually sit here and barbecue and then do camping. Wow, just love it, love it. I love Melbourne. We've just completed half of our hike. Loving the nature, like, you know, just being away from everything. It's fantastic. It gives boost to your mind as well. Good health as well. So, you know, and with friends. So it's amazing time. Oof, this is amazing, guys. Look at this beautiful place. This is so good. We are going to Andrew Hill, so that's where we wanted to go. Pretty much like the top, I guess, of this whole trail. Walking on this track, it's amazing, guys. As you can hear, there's only like birds chirping at the moment. All right, so let's continue and let's go to Andrew Hill. So just had a bit of a run uphill. This is Kinglake National Park, and then just to give you a bit of information, as you can see, those bark, the tree bark, it's pretty burned out. So there was like massive fire in Victoria during the bushfire of 2008. So yeah, that's when the massive incident happened over here. A lot of people lost their homes. Hope no one sees that ever again. Nature Hills itself, as you can see, it's all green now again. Right now I'm walking towards Andrew Hill, and as you can see, there's a massive incline there as well. So probably after this incline we might reach Andrew Hill. It's been uphill for like about 40 minutes. It's tiring, but it's really good as well at the same time. And as you can hear, the birds chirping. Love this, guys, love this. Anyways, let's continue our journey. Let's go to the top and let's see what's there. Let's explore together, only at Stroll with Daddy. Let's go. So the gang's just coming from down, and I'm right up here just to get you the views. We have just passed Andrews Top Hill, so it's not a lookout, it's just a hill. All right, as you can see, guys, it's all downhill from here, so let's go. And it's only 3 kilometers from here now. It looks like it's about to rain. Hopefully it doesn't, so let's just continue. Let's go. So as you can see, guys, everyone's parked their car. They're gonna stay here overnight. This is camping season, only in Melbourne, Kinglake National Park, guys. Alright, guys, so now we have concluded our hike. It's 4 o'clock at the moment, so lunch was just a sandwich. But that is it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, as usual, like, share and subscribe. And adios from Addy. Thank you.